First of all, I'd like to introduce the Kinova Robotics organization to the audience and let you know that we have a very, very proud team of individuals here at the Automate Show 2023. We are a Canadian-based robotics technology company and very glad to be in that position as the only Canadian-based robotics company here at the show. As a key contributor to what we all know is a challenging time relating to onshoring pressures, international competitive challenges, labor issues associated with demographic changes and a lot of other influences. And we're super, super happy to be one of the key North American-made product technologies that's helping to solve some of those problems for manufacturers. So at the show this year, we're showcasing our new Link 6 robot, which is our first step into the industrial markets. Of course, Kinova has quite a history for over 15 years in the industrial, in the robotics technology space, starting out as the company first developing robots for assistive applications, really helping people in their day-to-day lives, and also shortly thereafter moving into the medical space, where we've collaborated with some very large OEM companies to develop solutions that are saving people's lives in surgical environments and clinical settings. So very, very high demand collaborative settings, high-tech technology that we've now transposed into our industrial offering. In particular right now, what we're trying to share with the audience here at Automate is some of the solutions that we're promoting to the audiences. We have application solutions that are fully ready, off-the-shelf, pre-engineered for CNC machine tending, box erecting, and sanding. And so the position that we're trying to take with the audience is that we have solutions that can solve your problems today. And we know there's a lot of demand in the small to medium enterprises across North America that are struggling with business efficiency, they're struggling with shifting labor availability, and really trying to find a competitive solution that they can work with. And so with these pre-engineered cobot solutions, they've got an opportunity to find something that's not very capital intensive, in other words, very cost effective, very easy to deploy, and that they can use to bridge the gap where they have labor challenges in their organization. So for Kinova, and in collaboration with our partners, we feel that we've got some real tangible solutions that the marketplace can use today to improve their businesses.